How to redeem Tremendous Visa card. So first thing you want to do is locate the email. So find the email from Tremendous and simply just indicate your reward. Then click the redeem button. So open the email and then you will see a button called redeem, which will open your web browser. Then simply just choose Visa. So on the Tremendous redemption page, select the Visa card option. This might be a virtual Visa prepaid card, and if you want, just enter your information, and if required, enter your name and email address. And if you are redeeming a virtual Visa card, there might not be a billing address associated with the card. And so you need to finalize the redemption. So click redeem again to confirm your choice and finalize the redemption process. Then access your card details. You'll then be able to view your virtual Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. So use the card. You can now use your virtual Visa card for online purchases anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. Then for the physical Visa cards, if you receive a physical Visa card, you just need to visit reward.tremendous.com website for Visa cards to activate it by entering the unique barcode of the back of the card. Then lastly, you want to check the balance of your virtual Visa card at any time by visiting this website. And that's how you can redeem the Tremendous Visa card.